Hello everyone, welcome to Align Books.
Running a business is tough enough on its own, but managing post-dated checks? That's a whole different headache. You receive a check from your customer, not for today, but for a future date. That check is called a PDC, a post-dated check. You know you can't deposit it today, so you note the date somewhere, maybe in a diary, maybe on a spreadsheet, and hope you remember it in time. But weeks go by, and before you know it, the date has passed and you've forgotten to deposit it. Or worse, you deposited it late and it bounced because the customer's account no longer had sufficient funds. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Managing PDCs manually is one of the most overlooked, error-prone tasks in day-to-day business operations. Businesses lose money, miss payment dates, and face cash flow issues simply because there's no structured system to track and manage post-dated checks. Now, imagine if you had a system that could track and update everything for you. That's exactly what AlignBooks does with its PDC management feature. AlignBooks keeps all your PDC entries organized in one place, whether you've received a PDC from a customer or issued one to a supplier. And when the check date arrives, you can timely convert the pending PDC into an actual entry. One click, and the entry is passed automatically, updating your accounts and customer ledger instantly. Let's view how you can manage PDC in AlignBooks. Suppose you have received a PDC from your customer. To record this entry, go to the Finance module and select the Post-Dated Check Receipt option. If your business operates across multiple branches, choose the branch for which the PDC has been received. In the Voucher Date field, select the date on which you are recording the entry. The voucher number will be auto-generated by the software. However, if you wish to enter it manually, click on the configuration icon, open the numbering menu, and under the numeric series option, select Manual, then click the Save button. You can now manually enter the voucher number as needed. Next, select the party from whom you received the PDC, and then choose the bank to which the PDC belongs. Enter the check number. In the Dated column, specify the future date mentioned on the PDC. This is the date on which the check will be settled. Then, enter the amount. In the Remark field, you may add any relevant remarks. You can also add more PDC details in the same entry if required. Scroll down to the Narration box. Here, the software will automatically fill in a narration, which you can modify as per your requirement. If you have any documents or images to attach with the entry, you can upload them using the attachment option. Finally, click on the Save button to save the entry. When the future date will come, you are required to settle the pending PDC of the customers. To settle them, open the Finance module, then select Receipt Payment Voucher option. In Receipt Mode option, select the mode based on the nature of your entry. In our case, we need to settle the PDC, so select Receipt Voucher. Select the branch. In Cash Bank Posting option, select how you want to post the entry, in single voucher or separately. In Cash Bank Account option, select in which you required to post the amount. Select the voucher date and number as required. If you have any reference number, mention it in the given field. Now click on the Fill Pending PDC button. All pending PDC list will appear. Tick the checkbox which you want to convert in entry, and click on the OK button. You can view party. Amount will be auto-picked by the software. Now click on the Bill Adjustment icon to adjust the bills against which you have received the PDC. You can view party bill details will appear on the screen. Click on the bill which you want to adjust. You can view amount will be automatically picked in the Adjust column. If you don't want to clear all amount with the single bill, you can manually mention the amount. Suppose 200 adjusted from this invoice and the left 200 adjusted from the other invoice. Now, click on the OK button. Next, scroll down the page. You can mention the remark as required. If you have any attachment, you can attach through the given option. Finally, click on the Save button. If you want to maintain the record of PDCs that you issue to your suppliers, those can also be managed within the software. To record an issued PDC, open the Finance module and select the Post-Dated Check Issued option. Choose the branch from which you are issuing the PDC. The current date will be automatically picked by the software, which you can change if required. Now, select the supplier to whom you are issuing the PDC and choose the bank to which the PDC belongs. Enter the check number, and then select the future date mentioned on the PDC. Enter the check amount. If you wish to add any remarks, you can do so in the Remark field. Scroll down the page and click on the Narration field. The software will automatically fill in a narration, which you can modify as per your needs. If there is any related document or image, you can attach it using the Attachment option. Once everything is finalized, click the Save button to save the entry. When the date of the PDC arrives and you need to settle it, you can do so in the same way as a PDC receipt, through the Receipt Payment Voucher option. When you will click on the Fill Pending PDC button, all PDC issue and receipt displays on the same window. That's how you can manage both issued and received PDCs in the Align Books, because every rupee matters.
To book a demo, call us or visit our website, alignbooks.com. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.